In order to download actions and stuff on Minecraft Bedrock Edition mobile, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you are signed into a Microsoft account. You'll need to be sure you are signed in order to get access to the Minecraft Marketplace. So if you haven't already, go to the main menu, then go to the bottom left, and then press on the sign in button. It is then going to prompt you to sign in using a Microsoft account. So if you already made a Microsoft account before, then you're able to go ahead and use that, log in, and seamlessly create your Microsoft account. But if you never made a Microsoft account, do not panic, you're easily able to create from scratch, and they will walk you through the entire process start to finish. Alright, once you're done with that, then you will now have access to the Minecraft Marketplace. And what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look up actions and stuff, or you should be able to see it. Thankfully, it is like one of the most popular ones out there, so you should be able to find it relatively easily. Then you're able to go ahead and purchase it for around $10 United States. But what you could also do is you could also get the Minecraft Marketplace Pass, which is basically a monthly subscription that costs around $4 that automatically comes with actions and stuff. So what you're able to do is you're able to select on in Marketplace Pass, you're able to go ahead and select on it, subscribe, and then you're able to install actions and stuff. And then after the 1 month, you're able to cancel the subscription and you're effectively able to get actions and stuff for $4 instead of the $10. So that is 100% up to you. And that's how you would go about buying and getting actions and stuff on Minecraft Bedrock Mobile. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.